Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install MongoDB on Windows 10. So first of all, we need to go to MongoDB website, and we go to the software drop down here and you'll see community server. Choose this one, and on the right side you will see the download button here. So you just click this one and just wait for the download to finish. So if the download is successful, then run the program here. The wizard will pop up. Hit next. Accept the terms. And for the setup type, choose the complete one. So choose this and make sure that this is run as service. Okay. Hit next. So you can optionally choose MongoDB Compass. It's basically like a graphical user interface for MongoDB. So I'll install that one and install. So the installation is finished. Now the next step is we need to add the MongoDB to the environment variable on Windows. To do that, go to the file of the MongoDB. So it's located in the program files, MongoDB. You will see the server here, and this is the pin. This is the location that we will add to the environment variable. Now open the system environment variables by typing env here on the search box below and choose environment variables. We will have to edit this and hit new, paste the copied path and hit OK, and OK. Now go to the command prompt, type MongoDB to run the service. After you run the MongoDB command, type Mongo to go to the Mongo shell. So we are in the MongoDB shell. To see the databases on MongoDB, we can just type show dbs. You'll see some of the database default databases, and then to create a database, just type use my data, for example. So we already have the database called my data. So why don't we try to add something to our database? So first of all, but we need to add a collection, and by typing, for example, foods, it will automatically add the collection called foods, and we will add a food to our foods collection. To do that, curly bracket, name, and then let's say Baxo. So hit enter. So inserted 1. So to see what's inside the collection of foods, we can just do db.foods.find curly brackets. It will try to find all the data inside the foods collection and hit enter. So that's the data that we just inserted, right? And we have an ID that is automatically generated, and we have the name set to Baxo. So that's all for the MongoDB installation. Thank you so much.